Good morning, girls. Today I am going to take next problem. You see, forces of magnitude 2, A, 5, B, 3 kgs of weights act along AB, CA, AD, AE, FA. If in a regular hexagon of A, B, C, D, find A, B in the system is in equilibrium. You see the proof. You see the diagram also important. So you see here, let A, B, C, D, E, F be a regular hexagon. Forces 2A given, this is one given, 2A, 5B, 3 kgs act along AB, CA, AD, AE and FA. AB, what value? AB, CA, because CA means downward, CA, AD, AE and FA. See here, arrow mark for AB means here upward, is going upward, it will be in positive. See here, CA is downward, so the value will come in minus value, negative. Okay girls, other results are going upward value, you will put positive. If we dissolve, you see here, so the system is in equilibrium. They given the system is in equilibrium. So system is in equilibrium means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Resolve along AB. Resolve along AB. You know that, as I have said many problems before itself. See how to resolve. You know this, I said no. See, for AB means 2 cos 0, because 2 cos 0 here, 2 cos 0, then minus A cos 30, because minus A means minus Y means, because it's the direction is downward, so minus, the arrow mark is down, so minus A cos the others. You know how to put that problem as before problems. You are putting that cos 0 is equal to 1. Then cos 30 value is 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, then cos 90 is 0, then cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore what value you are getting? X is equal to 2 minus A root 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So what you will get, you put here, if you take the LCM as 2 means X is equal to 4 minus A root 3 by 2 root 3 plus 5 plus 3 divided by 2. Then what is in equilibrium? X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means 4 minus A root 3 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to, because 2 here we multiply here 0 means you will get 0. Then you resolve this, you will find the A value. You find here, you put some calculation and you will get A value. A is equal to 4 root 3. Okay girls, you understand? Next what? Resolve along perpendicular to AB. This is all opposite sign, but here itself there is no change in your sign, because here constant arrow mark is downward, so minus A cos 60. You see the diagram and you mark that values, and you find the value for, find the y as before, how you find for x, like that you find, and you will get the value for B. Okay girls, understand now girls? We find the value for B. You will get it. If you have any doubt, you can ask. It's very easy anyway. Just you have to resolve. Diagram is very important. Only you see the arrow marks, how it's going upward or downward. If it is downward means the up direction, that is sign will be opposite, is negative sign you will get girls. Okay ma, next you will go for next problem. 3 forces acting at a point parallel to the sides of triangle ABC taken in order and in magnitude. They are proportional to cosine of the opposite angles. Show that R is equal to K into square root of 1 minus 8 cos A cos B cos C. Here also you have to see the diagram. It's a very easy problem ma. important also, very easy also. You see the proof. Let the forces k cos A, k cos B, k cos C act along the sides of triangle ABC. As usual, you have to resolve. You see the diagram, resolve along BC. You will get the values. See k cos A into cos 0. See the diagram, k cos A cos 0, k cos B into k into cos 180 minus C. You see the diagram here, how I have marked here. See the diagram. You will understand. If you understand the diagram only, you can put this problem. Okay, girls. So you have to resolve along BC, and you will get the value. You will get this one. X is equal to k cos A minus 2 k cos B cos C. Then you have to resolve perpendicular to BC. You will get this one. Then we know r square is equal to x square plus y square. R square is equal to x square plus y square, because we want the answer. So what we are doing, r square is equal to x square plus y square. R square is equal to x square plus y square. You put the formula a minus, you use the formula a minus b the whole square. You use that formula, you find the value for r square. So you will get this one, r square is equal to k square into 1 minus 8 cos A cos B into cos C. Then r square value, then r is equal to what you will get, r is equal to square root of k square. If we take k square outside, means you will get k into square root of 1 minus 8 cos A cos B cos C. Okay, girls, I think you have understand. If you have any doubt, means you can ask. Next two problems also, it's very easy, ma. Just you refer and say. If you have, I will say in the next class also. I will teach in next class also. This is also very easy only. This it is like a book work only. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you, girls.